welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this particular video, we will talk about the top most useful websites for any professional as well as for any student, right? I think these four websites which I am talking about today is really beneficial for both of them. So let's get started. The very first website which I want to talk about here is the Overleaf website. What is that used for? So basically, whenever you want to make a job switch, or whenever you are in a you are in a college and you want to sit for a placement, you have to prepare your resume, right? So there are so many different kinds of templates that we have in Overleaf. Although I know that we do have a lot of different websites as well, but personally I like the Overleaf template the most. There you need to just write a code, okay? You just need to manipulate few things and automatically a proper black and white kind of a resume will be appearing. So whenever we are from a technical background, no one will expect from you that you will give to them a colorful kind of a resume. At least I would prefer that you will be having a black and white kind of a resume with the proper pinpoints which you think is important to you. You can mark some bold numbers, bold values which you think are really important in your professional journey, right? So the very first website which I want to talk about is the Overleaf one to prepare your resume. The second important website which I think is really important for all the students and for working professionals as well is the GitHub profile. Always try to prepare your GitHub profile in such a way that you will be having all the important projects. Whatsoever you have written in your resume, showcase there. Showcase there, why? Because suppose in your resume you will obviously write on the top of your after the name of your maybe for example I will be having a name of Priya Bhatia. So what I will do below that, if you will just see my resume which is already uploaded on LinkedIn, so I have given the link of my GitHub profile. So whenever someone is going to my GitHub repo, an interviewer, suppose I am an interviewer, I am a recruiter, so I can go there, I can check that what are the projects which she already did, right? For example, I have written some NLP based project. My responsibility is that I used to upload that project in my GitHub repo so that whatever I am saying is clearly conveying there as well, right? Any interviewer, any recruiter, and even for me as well, if suppose after a few months I want to just have a revision of that particular topic or that particular project, I can go there, I can check that what are the tools I have used to prepare that project. Try to upload all the projects in your GitHub repo. This will really showcase your skills, because if you will not have GitHub repo, if you will not showcase to them, how they will believe to you that okay, whatever you have mentioning here is true or not, right? Okay, I can understand that some projects may be confidential when you're working in your company, but here I'm talking about at least those projects which are maybe in your academia or which you can basically showcase in your GitHub profile without any confidentiality issue, right? The third important profile which I want to talk about here is LinkedIn, right? LinkedIn is again a really important website, I would say. Try to make a very good profile over there. Everything should be updated starting from where you have graduated, like which college you have graduated, if you did some masters or not, try to mention that. What are the coursework that you did, in whatsoever working experience you have, completely write that, right? Whether you are an intern, whether you are a full-time, at what position, in what particular organization you are associated with, whether you are doing any freelance project or whether you are doing any freelance work. All these things means complete your portfolio of your academia professional experience should be there on your LinkedIn. Why is that so? Why I'm saying like that? Because LinkedIn, personally, if you will ask to me, gave me a lot of opportunities in my life. Starting from where I started my professional journey until now, I would say all the credits goes to LinkedIn only. Why? Because if you will go to my profile also, you will see that everything starting from profile picture to completion of my masters, to what subjects I have covered up, to my publications, everything, every award I have written inside my LinkedIn profile. Try to update your LinkedIn profile whenever you think that there is something update happened in your professional journey. Why? Because all the recruiters, suppose in future there is a need of any data scientist, there is a need of any mentor. So they can come to my profile, they can see my experience, and then they can connect with me, right? Even you can also upload your resume just like the way I have uploaded. Even you can make, if you suppose you will be having some YouTube channel, you can make them featured, so that everything will be there in your portfolio of your LinkedIn profile. Okay. And after few connections, you can even customize your URL link also. That would be also a better option. Please customize over that. See that how we can customize any of the YouTube video. You will be able to check that, and you will be able to see that we can customize also after, I think, 500 connections, if I'm not sure, if I'm not wrong. So this is something which I want to talk about as a third very important and crucial profile which I want to talk about. The last but not the least is the lead code platform. See, whether you are from any of the background, nowadays coding round is something which will happen whenever you are going to switch any company, or whenever you want to, uh, pursue any masters, you want to sit for any gate exam, or maybe you are from a mechanical engineer background and you want to switch in a tech domain. I believe DSA round is something which is happening everywhere. And this is one of the most common question which is asked by so many students, that which particular website I should follow to practice those DSA questions. Because usually we know the concept, but we don't know that how we can, solve those problems, how we can reach the final solution, how we can optimize the solutions. For that, I believe Lead Code platform is the best platform which I ever encountered, because I have worked on different kind of platforms like HackerRank, HackerEarth. Here it's my personal choice again, I'm saying, but still, if you want me to say that what should be your optimal choice, that's what I will say. Lead Code. Why? Because there you can tag the problems. First of all, always start from the easy problem. After that, if you have a chance to have a premium also, then you can also see that which companies have already asked the questions in the last year or the last interviews. Even many students are sharing the interviews in the discussion part of the Lead Code platform, so you can go and explore that platform. So these four platforms: one is Overleaf to prepare the resume, one is GitHub to showcase your project, one is LinkedIn to completely showcase your portfolio, and the last but not the least is a Lead Code platform to practice DSA question, so that you will be easily able to crack any of the interviews whenever you are moving towards a technical domain in software industries. So with this, I would like to end this particular video. I hope that you like this video a lot and you find this video insightful. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye everyone. See you all in my next video.